What do you think, Bert? You guys are being surprisingly brave. Yeah? Get it, Rai. Get it, Rai. Get it, Yenny. What do you think, Raven? Uh-oh, Bert, it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you, Bert. And Yenny's just excited about everything, as usual. Oh, what's going on, Yenny? Yeah, I picked up all of your stuff so that the Roomba can clean the floor. They're going, what the heck? What the heck? Yenna, yenna, yen. Oh, there she goes. She flew. Kittens can levitate, you know. What do you think, Rai? Rai. What do you think, baby? Is it kind of interesting but kind of freaky? Oh, there's a kitten on my back. Hello. Are you attacking my hair? Okay. I guess I'd attack my hair too. What do you think? It's all very exciting. Get it, Yenny. Get it, Yenny. Get it, Yenny. What do you think, boys? Run away, Bert. It might eat your toes. What do you think, Raven? You're just gonna keep a distance. That's a good idea. Run away, Rai. My plan was to put it in the bedroom and close the door and get all the cats out and just let it clean, but the cats did not want to leave. I couldn't get them all out. They just kept coming back in. They're like, we have to monitor this thing. We don't know what it's gonna do. And it's a little bit entertaining too. Bert says, I'm keeping an eye on you. I don't trust you, robot. Yeah. You tell it, Bert.